Welcome back, my Pottery Barn enthusiasts. This video is part 4 of the masterclass, and it's just going to be a bunch of before and afters, but I am going to label them. Each one is going to have a number, and in the description of this video, I'm going to either link the video that is for that particular picture number, and or give you guys some more information on what I did on that specific one. As you can see, it's all pretty much the same deal, but it does vary from project to project, and I use different things to get different looks and stuff. So I will be giving you guys as much information as I possibly can. And speaking of information, make sure you sign up for my newsletter. I haven't sent anything out yet. I know for all of you guys who have already signed up, I haven't sent a newsletter out yet, but I will be sending one out, I promise. And I've got some stuff coming up. And if you like the Pottery Barn finish, or if you refinish furniture at a higher level, I've got some groups coming out that you may want to be a part of. So make sure you signed up for that. It's totally free. And at the end of the video, I have a board that is just like a sample board that I made that has a lot of different colors and variations on the finish. You're going to want to check that out if you're deep into the Pottery Barn finishes or you're trying to figure out what color and shade you want to go for. Enjoy this video of before and afters, and I will see you at the end of the video to talk about my sample board.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side.
Okay, I got these little samples at Walmart. The paint samples there, they had the largest ones, and so that's why I got them there. They're the Kills brand, and I'll make sure to list all the colors. And here are the two glazes that I have. I'm going to try the Java Brown, which is the one you guys have seen me use most on the channel. And then now we have this Rustoleum aged glaze on the right. And I found something very interesting. I think you guys will all love to know that they are exactly the same. The color didn't change at all. It was literally the exact same. They look totally different in the can. They're by the same company. They have different labels, but I had the exact same results using one on top and one on the bottom. So you can use these two interchangeably. And here are the samples that I made up. Lots of different colors, combinations. You can be as creative as you want to with this finish. And like I said, I am going to be starting some groups up that you guys might want to be a part of if you're really into this finish. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.